friends, welcome to Tricks. This is the last video in the series of Governor Generals and Viceroys. In the last two videos, we learned about the Governor Generals and Viceroys from 1858 to 1905, and in this phase, we will learn some important work and incidents during the time of Viceroys from 1905 to 1947 and a trick to remember them. First is Lord Minto 1905 to 1910. In his time, Indian Council Act of 1909 was passed and it is also known as Morley-Minto reforms. Lord Morley for the Secretary of State for India and Minto was the Viceroy. And the most important feature of this act was separate electorate. Then Lord Hardinge 1910 to 1916. He held a darbar in December 1911 to celebrate the coronation of King George V. He cancelled the partition of Bengal and shifted the capital from Calcutta to Delhi. Annie Besant also announced the Home Rule movement during Lord Hardinge's time. Then Lord Chelmsford August declaration was made in which it was announced that Indian government would be gradually transferred to Indian people. Based on that report, Government of India Act in 1919, also known as Montagu-Chelmsford reform, again Montagu was the Secretary of State and Chelmsford was the Viceroy. The most important feature of 1919 Act was the diarchy in provinces. Diarchy means rule of two. There was one executive governor and one and other popular ministries. I will make a separate video on these Government of India Acts. Please post that in the comment if you want me to do so. Rowlatt Act of 1919 was passed. We know about Rowlatt Act. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. The non-cooperation movement. Women University was founded at Pune in 1916 and Sadler Commission was appointed for looking after the new education policy. If you remember Rowlatt Act, you can recall Jallianwala Bagh massacre too because it was related to Rowlatt Act. The non-cooperation movement was also launched after this massacre, so you can relate that non-cooperation along with the Khilafat movement. Next we have Lord Reading 1921 to 26. Rowlatt Act and Press Act was repealed. Prince of Wales visited India in November 1921. Mopla rebellion took place. Formation of Swaraj Party and Communist Party was formed in 1921 by M.N. Roy. Remember this fact. Lord Irwin Simon Commission came. Simon Commission was appointed to look after the working of the 1919 Government of India Act and give the suggestions, and on the suggestion of Simon Commission, Government of India Act 1935 was formed. Congress passed the Indian Resolution in 1929, Dandi March, the famous Dandi March, which started the civil disobedience movement, and then first round table conference held in England in 1930. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed and civil disobedience movement was withdrawn. Martyrdom of Jatin Das after 64 days of hunger strike. Then Lord Wellington 1931 to 1936. For few things you need not to make a trick. For example, if you know about the communal awards in which the separate electorate was extended to Sikhs and other communities also, Gandhi went on fast and after that Pune Pact was signed. So if you remember the communal awards, you need not to make a trick for Pune Pact. Government of India Act 1935 was passed during Wellington's time. Lord Linlithgow, based on 1935 Act, Congress ministries formed in 8 out of 11 provinces. However, they quit after approximately 2 years, 11 months because of declaration of Second World War 1939, because Britain's position was not clear regarding India's involvement in the Second World War. Then Churchill became the British PM in 1940 and Atlantic Charter was declared, and in the Atlantic Charter both USA and UK declared the right to self-determination. However, the Churchill said it did not apply to India. Then Cripps Mission came in 1942 and finally the Quit India movement in 1942. When Cripps Mission was rejected, Quit India movement was launched. Karoya Maro. Lord Wavell Shimla Conference on June 1945 with Indian National Congress and Muslim League. However, it failed. Cabinet Mission Plan, which came in 1946, it led to the election to the Constituent Assembly. Interim government was appointed under Nehru. And remember that Constituent Assembly was formed under this Cabinet Mission Plan, and the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly was held on December 9, 1946. Lord Mountbatten, he was the last Viceroy of British India and the first Governor General of Free India. Partition of India decided. Indian Independence Act of 1947 passed, and after him C. Rajagopalachari succeeded, who became the first and the last Indian Governor General of Free India. These were the important facts related to the Viceroys from 1905 to 1947. Now a trick to remember these Viceroy chronologically along with their work. Since I divided the series in 3 videos, it is necessary that we continue with our story so that the continuity is maintained and you need not to remember separate stories for separate phases. Last we left that Commissioner Curzon partitioned the land. But what happened then? There was a mine. After some time, they discovered that beneath their houses, huge amount of coal and mineral gases are present. So they wanted separate share. Both Peter and Dolly wanted separate share. It was hard to convince them to shift their homes. Obviously, if the mine is found, then they need to shift because chemicals are released from the mine. Raw chemicals and non-cooperation. So there was raw chemicals, but non-cooperation also from both Peter and Dolly. So they needed to redefine the community wall. As we know from our story that Dolly is very cunning and she is very smart. To win simply, she marched to get civil pact. She tries to get a civil order on this dispute. Peter is a simple man, so he willingly became a second party and waited for the award. What award the court gives? He waits for that. And since she has gone for a civil pact, so the dispute is being settled amicably. But Peter did not know, little he knew that how crooked she was. So she somehow got the verdict in her favor and Peter was asked to quit. And finally he had to waive off his rights and Dolly succeeded in her mission. The mountain crumbled and King was helpless. The Peter, who was a war veteran, was like a mountain. It crumbled. King was not able to help him. Means the government was not able to help him. Now connect all the other threads of the story from the very beginning and consolidate the story. But before that, let us first understand the relation between the story and the viceroys from 1905 to 1947. First, there was a mine. From mine, Minto, Lord Minto wanted separate share. Means Lord Minto's Government of India Act 1909, in which separate electorate was given. If you remember Minto, then you can easily recall the Minto reforms, Morley Minto reforms, in which separate electorate was given. Hard to convince. From Harding shift their homes. He shifted the capital from Calcutta to Delhi. From Home Rule movement was started by Annie Besant. Raw chemicals and non-cooperation. From chemicals, CHEM, Chelmsford. From raw, you can remember Rowlatt Act. In Chelmsford time, Rowlatt Act was passed and non-cooperation. Rowlatt Act led to Jallianwala Bagh massacre and non-cooperation movement was launched. So redefining of the community wall was needed. From redefine, read, Lord, reading. Community means Communist Party. So Swaraj Party was also formed during reading's time. I have not included that in the trick. If you can come up with an addition, you can mention that in the comment and I will add an annotation. To win simply, from win you can remember Irwin. Win, Irwin. Simply marched. Dandi March. From March, remember Dandi March. Civil disobedience movement. And from Pact, Gandhi Irwin Pact. Since there is Irwin and there is Dandi March, so there is Irwin and Gandhi. So Pact will be Gandhi Irwin Pact and not Pune Pact. Pune Pact was signed between Gandhi and Ambedkar. Willingly, so Peter willingly became second party. Willingly, from Willington. Second means second roundtable conference, and from award, communal awards. And communal award led to undefinite fast of Gandhi and that led to Pune Pact. Little he knew how crooked she was. From little Linlithgow. I could not find anything better. If you can come up with something, please post that in the comment. Linlithgow, Linlith. So you just relate with little to Linlithgow. From crooked CR to Cripps. Cripps mission came. In this Cripps mission, British government proposed that after the end of the war, a constituent assembly would be convened to frame a new constitution and members would be elected both directly and indirectly. However, the Indian leaders rejected this Cripps mission. He was asked to quit from Quit India movement. He had to wave off from Wavell, succeeded in her mission, from mission cabinet mission plan. So in the Wavell's time, cabinet mission plan came. And one thing I missed here, Irwin and simply from Sim you can remember SIM, Simon. So Irwin's time, Simon Commission came in 1928 and so win simply Irwin Simon. Here he had to waive off his writes, I have not written the whole sentence. You complete your sentences, note down these tricks in the diary, and revise it again and again. She succeeded in her mission, cabinet mission plan. Finally, the mountain crumbled means Mountbatten plan crumbled means the British rule came to the end. He was last Governor General and the first Governor General of Free India. The king was helpless from King C. Raja Gopalachari. Raja means king. So king was helpless. Raja C. Rajagopalachari succeeded Mountbatten and he became the first and the last Governor General of Free India. So this was the trick. Hope you liked this trick and hope you find it easy. Please give your feedbacks. Please post your comment and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. I will be making similar videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.